Another popular concept in leadership today is the idea of authentic leadership. And it refers to individuals who know and understand themselves, who espouse and act consistent with higher order ethical values, and who empower and inspire others with their openness and authenticity. अच्छा, ऑथेंटिक होने का मतलब यहाँ पे है टू बी रियल एंड अपनी वैल्यूज और अपने बिलीव्स के साथ सच्चा रहना, ट्रू रहना, एंड एक्टिंग बेस्ड ऑन वंस true self rather than emulating what others do. Okay, so being very real, being yourself is what authentic leadership is most about. Achha, authentic leaders inspire trust and commitment because they respect diverse viewpoints, they encourage collaboration, and they help others learn, grow, and develop as leaders. Authentic जो leaders होते हैं उनकी कुछ key characteristics हैं, like number one, they pursue their purpose with passion. They are very passionate, and they do not fall prey to greed and the desires of the ego. Then number two, the authentic leaders practice solid values. This is a remarkable feature of authentic leadership. They have values that are shaped by their personal beliefs and they stay true to them even under pressure. People come to know what the leader stands for, which inspires trust. Number three, authentic leaders lead with their hearts as well as their heads. So it's a combination of the mind and the heart. All leaders sometimes have to make tough choices, but authentic leaders maintain a compassion for others as well as the courage to make difficult decisions. Number four, authentic leaders establish connected relationships. They build positive and enduring relationships, which makes followers want to do their best. Then, number five, authentic leaders demonstrate self discipline. So, they are very disciplined in their matters. And a high degree of self control keeps leaders from taking excessive or unethical risks that could harm others and the organization. So, when authentic leaders make mistakes, they openly admit them as well. Acha, some of the general characteristics associated with level 5 leaders and authentic leaders are also hallmarks of interactive leadership, which has been found to be associated with female leaders. Interactive leadership means that the leader favors a consensual and collaborative process, and influence derives from relationships rather than position power and formal authority. Although both men and women can practice interactive leadership, but research indicates that women's style of leadership is typically different from that of most men, and it's particularly suited to today's organizations. There was a survey carried out by a leadership firm in 2011, and there were more than 7,200 business people included in that survey, and they talked about leaders in their organizations. तो उस सर्वे के रिजल्ट में women were actually rated as better overall leaders using data from actual performance evaluations. One study found that when rated by peers, subordinates, and bosses, female managers scored significantly higher than men on abilities of motivating others, fostering communication, and listening, most of all. Another study of leaders and their followers in businesses, universities, and government agencies found that women were rated higher on social and emotional skills, which were crucial for interactive leadership. Indeed, a review of more than 7,360 degree performance evaluations. अच्छा, 360 degree से मुराद यही होता है कि आप अपने पेयर्स से भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हैं, अपने बॉसेस से भी ले रहे हैं और सबऑर्डिनेट्स से भी ले रहे हैं. I mean, it's a complete round that's being taken into consideration. So those evaluations discovered that women outshone men in almost every leadership dimension measured. Even some considered typically masculine qualities, such as masculine quality ये हो सकती है कि ड्राइविंग जो होती है रिजल्ट्स के लिए. Men are more focused about on achievement and what are they going to get in the end, and that's why we say that men are more risk takers. So the only exception was that women were typically rated lower on developing a strategic perspective, which some researchers believe hinders female managers' career advancement. despite their exceptional ratings in other leadership dimensions. So interactive leadership is all about relationships and maintaining harmony, cooperation with your people. Or as compared to other styles of leadership, यहाँ पे goals और targets और achievements के लिए regard कम होता है.